Hi, friends. Welcome back to another new video. I was so surprised by how good I felt after a few days. I don't feel hungry for carbs anymore like I used to every single afternoon. I feel full of positive energy when I wake up in the mornings. Drinking this tonic once a day has some amazing benefits for me. I feel happy with my body for the first time in years. Just being able to wear my favorite jeans again after so many years feels wonderful. It's helped with my marriage enormously, and my husband is delighted to get the happy me back again. But the best part is feeling so confident, getting compliments from others and being able to go to the beach or swim at the pool without feeling self-conscious about how I look. Let's introduce Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. 3,000 years old, ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of belly fat. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement that can help you lose weight and get rid of your unwanted belly fat. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic product works quickly and effectively. After a few months of use, you are able to achieve that desired weight goal you've been wanting and get a boost in confidence as well. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement helps you lose weight naturally while keeping you healthy. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic product was inspired by the lifestyle of the people living in Okinawa, Japan. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic uses a secret ingredient from the Okinawa Islands that is known for its powerful fat-burning process that can help you lose weight fast and get rid of fat even in the stubborn areas in your body. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is 100% safe to drink, and there are no harmful additives or fillers added in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplements formula. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement works by breaking down and removing the excess buildup of fat in your body. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula contains a powerful yet safe amount of antioxidants to help clear the body of unhealthy chemicals or toxins that has been piling up in your body over the years of an unhealthy lifestyle. The following are some of the proven benefits of taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It will boost the digestion and metabolism of the body. It can increase your energy levels and virality to power through the day. It will strengthen your immune system even when you are losing weight. This will quick burn belly fat. It can reduce your anxiety and stress levels. This will improve blood circulation throughout the whole body. It can be improves your sleep cycle. Lastly, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic works by boosting your energy and vitality. You are able to easily burn those carbohydrates and prevent fat from building up in your body. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic guarantees that it only uses 100% natural and high-quality ingredients in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula, and it is completely safe to drink with no side effects. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients and recipe. Acai berry, a superfruit, can help lower blood pressure, get rid of toxins and improve cognitive functions in the brain. Aronia berry is rich in antioxidants and provides and can increase the strength of your immune system. Hibiscus sabdariffa is a flower that is harvested in Okinawa Islands and is known for its quick fat-burning effect in the body even to the most stubborn areas such as the belly. Cinnamon bark, the famous weight-losing ingredient, is added to the formula as it increases the metabolic process to achieve a healthier body. Glycerin inulin is an extract from the chicory root. It's a fiber that suppresses your appetite, so you are less likely to crave unhealthy food cravings. Mulberry extract is a powerful fat-burning ingredient that helps maintain blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee for 90 days from your original purchase. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder you simply mix with water to make a delicious tonic. Just take 1 scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic around 10 a.m. or around 1 hour after a light breakfast. A single bottle of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement will last you 30 days. You can click the link in the description of the video for a special discount. Thank you so much for watching this video.